The Pledge of an Electronics Engineer. I am an electronics engineer. In my profession, I take deep pride, but without vainglory. To it I owe solemn obligations that I am eager to fulfill. As an electronics engineer, I will participate in none but honest and legal enterprises. To him who has engaged my services as employer or client, I will give the utmost of performance and fidelity. When needed, my skill and knowledge shall be given without reservation for the public good. From my special capacity springs the obligation to use it well in the service of humanity, and I accept the challenge that this implies. Zealous of the high repute of my colleague, I will strive to protect the interest and the good name of any engineer that I know be deserving. But I will not shirk, should duty dictate, from disclosing the truth regarding anyone who, by unscrupulous act, has shown himself unworthy of the profession. As others before me have vitalized and turned to practical account the principles of science and the revelations of technology, and have rendered usable to mankind nature's vast resources of matter and energy, so do I dedicate myself to the analysis, synthesis, and dissemination of engineering knowledge and practice, and especially to the instruction of younger members of my profession in all its arts and traditions. To my colleagues I pledge, in the same full measure, I ask of them integrity and fair dealing, tolerance and respect, and devotion to the standards and the dignity of our profession, with the consciousness always that our special expertise carries with it the obligation to serve humanity with complete dedication. So help me God.